Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Roblox clothes not showing in-game step by step. First, go to your avatar editor and make sure the clothes are actually equipped. Sometimes items are purchased but not selected, so double-check that your shirt, pants, or layered clothing are turned on. Next, refresh your avatar. Remove the clothing item, save, then equip it again and save once more. After that, restart Roblox completely to force the game to reload your avatar data. If you're playing on mobile or console, close the app fully and reopen it. Another common reason is the game itself. Some experiences override avatars with custom outfits, so test your clothes in a different game to confirm. Also check your internet connection because slow syncing can delay updates. If nothing works, clear cache or reinstall Roblox. These steps usually fix clothing not appearing properly in-game. Subscribe the channel for more videos.